slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love.
Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to super clean a messy room in 8 smart steps in 60 seconds. Step 1. Trash out. Floor is clean in 10 seconds. Pro tip, bag in left hand, spray in right hand. Step 2. Dust attack. 2 drops of vinegar on a microfiber cloth, 90% less dust. Step 3. Vacuum hack. Start in the corner and save 30% of your time. Step 4. Shelf magic. Organize books by color, your mind will be refreshed too. Step 5. Window glow. Water plus lemon juice equals disinfect plus natural shine. Step 6. Pillow fluff. Every cushion in 2 seconds, your room will look like a hotel. Step 7. Final spray. 3 drops of lavender essential oil, your home will feel like a spa. See? 8 pro tips in just 1 minute. This routine will make your entire home sparkle in 7 minutes every day. Like, save, comment which step is your favorite. Subscribe for more 60-second hacks.